So the things that you do on a day-to-day basis per hour are those tasks generating 520 bucks. As a business owner, what should you hire for when you're ready to expand? For your first employee, do you hire another salesperson? Do you hire a receptionist? Do you hire an assistant? Do you hire a janitor? What do you hire for? This is a typical question that I usually get from my coaching clients, and this is the answer I always provide them because it stood the test of time all the time. When you're looking to start a real business that you're trying to scale to make seven figures, you need to understand you're making about $520 an hour, give or take about 520 bucks an hour. So the things that you do on a day-to-day basis per hour are those tasks generating 520 bucks per hour. If they aren't, why aren't they doing it? If they aren't making 520 bucks an hour, what are those things that are low income generating tasks? Now you can write down those tasks, whether it is answering phone calls, whether it is replying back to Google reviews, whether it is cold calling, whatever it may be, whatever you come up with that don't equate to 520 bucks, write them down. And now you have a list of items and tasks that aren't high income generating tasks. Now you can hire for these tasks that don't generate income, and you can start working on the things that start generating income more, the things that you in your eyes perceive to make 520 bucks, and you double down on those things. Because guess what? These tasks that were making $5 an hour, $4 an hour, $10 an hour, $100 an hour, they're now allocated to someone making less than that, so your company's profitable, assuming that you've done your math properly. If you haven't, send me an email. And if you have done the math properly, you'll be profitable, right? And now you have all this excess time. What do you do with that excess time? You double down on the things that are working and find out different ways on how you can increase profitability in your company. So now, instead of making 520 bucks an hour from doing this 1, 2, 3 task, you're gonna be making 600 bucks an hour, 700 bucks an hour, 800 bucks an hour, and you'll scale exponentially. So what is this role? Is it a salesperson role? Is it a reception? It really breaks down into what those tasks are. And if you don't know what those tasks are or how you can fit them into a role, send me an email. Let's work together. I'll see you guys in the next video.